Welcome to my channel. Enjoy cooking with Al. I'm glad you're able to join me today.
Today I'm going to show you how to make easy chicken adobo. These are the ingredients we're going to use today. As you can see, I already gone ahead and prepped it. We have our chicken legs. We have our soy sauce. Wonderful potatoes. Here we have some sliced fresh garlic. Here we have some vinegar, some vegetable cooking oil. We have chicken cube. We have bay leaf, brown sugar, peppercorn, and water. Let's begin by browning out garlic. We're going to add some oil. We're going to let our nice sliced garlic brown nicely. I'll show you exactly what we want. Okay guys, look at that. Be careful not to burn it. It browns very quick when you have hot oil. Let's put our chicken right in there. Our chicken legs. All right, put 7 chicken legs in. We're gonna pack it nicely. All right. Don't be shy. All right, let's add our nice water. We're gonna put our chicken cube in there. It will dissolve. We add our peppercorn. Wonderful. Let's put in our soy sauce. All right. And our bay leaf. I'm using 2 bay leaves. Let that flavor extract. Wonderful. Okay guys, this is what we want to do. We're going to cover this nicely and let this cook at a medium-low temperature for 20 minutes, and then we're going to come back. All right. All right, 20 minutes has gone by. Just turn this over a little bit. Looking good. Wow. Just turning my chicken legs over. Look at these, delicious. It smells delicious. Oh my goodness. All right, let's add our potatoes in here. Just gonna put my potatoes in. I wanna make sure that they're pushed down nicely. Push my potatoes down nicely because we want that water to cover my potatoes. And the steam is gonna finish cooking it as well. Wonderful. Now we're gonna cover this for about 10, 13 minutes till my potatoes are nice and tender. Okay, let's just cover this. All right, 10 minutes has gone by. Look at these potatoes, nice and tender. Look at that, I can tell by the crease of my spoon going in. Wonderful, nice and tender. You see that? I'm testing it. Let's put in our brown sugar. Nicely spread it over evenly a little bit. Just spread that in there. All right, and our vinegar. All right, guys. Okay, I'm just dissolving the sugar because I want it to, look, it's tightening it up nicely. Look at that. You got a nice little sauce there. You see that? Wonderful. We're just going to let this cook again slowly. Give it a nice, I'd say, 5 to 8 minutes. This is already there. We're just going to let those flavors combine. And this is almost done, guys. All right, guys, look at this. The sauce, you can actually see it. Nice and saucy. This goes good over your rice. Oh, let's give this a nice taste. Here we go. Let's see. Perfect. Remember, you want to make sure you taste it, because if you need to add anything, you want to taste it first. You don't want it salty. This is perfect, my friends. Enjoy. Let me get this nice tender potato. Okay guys, this is it. Chicken adobo with potato, good with rice. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave your comments and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.